Earlier today, the National Hurricane Center marked our first area of interest of the season. You can see this 10% area marked just off the coast of the Carolinas. Notice the 10%, not a big chance of this one forming. So off the coast of the Carolinas, we are going to have this non-tropical low pressure system that is forecast to form. So here I have the vorticity product of the European model. So vorticity, it tells us kind of how much spin is in the atmosphere, what's forecasted to be in the atmosphere. So the brighter colors are going to be levels of higher spin. So you can see the European model does try to have a little more spin of this non-tropical low pressure system. Could form into a tropical storm, could form into a subtropical storm, but as you saw marked, it's only a 10%, so it's really not high. Now I'm on to the GFS here. That's kind of what we do in hurricane forecasting when we have these systems in the super short range, 2-3 days out. We look at multiple hurricane models and we just kind of blend them together, see what they're all thinking, and typically come up with some sort of solution. So for this one, the GFS actually keeps the system very weak. In fact, it probably just keeps it as a disturbance, doesn't even form it. And the nice thing is with this disturbance is that this will be heading out to sea, because you can see up there, see that elongated line of showers right there, the line of green right into New England, going into Indiana and over to Oklahoma. That's going to be a front. And what that front's going to do is it's going to push that system, whatever forms of it or whatever doesn't form of it, right out to sea. So thankfully with this one, there's not much to worry about on top of the already low 10% chance of it forming. So here's a map of the sea surface temperatures. You can see the Gulf Stream this time of year starting to make its appearance known right off the coast of the Carolinas, which is where our system is, 27, 28 degrees Celsius waters. So it is enough to support a tropical system, granted not a really strong one. And with this 10% chance, we're really not looking at too much. So I think if you're in the U.S., the Bahamas, even over to Bermuda, you're totally fine with this one. I think it's going to be at worst some rain showers in the Carolinas. Now, if anything happens with the system, like it rapidly develops for some odd reason, or maybe it just takes a different track, you will hear updates right here. Don't listen to people posting the GFS. Nothing is going to hit the U.S., I promise. This will be nothing. Everything is fine.